Hello everyone. Thanks for watching always. There is an additional announcement this time. How to make the work Plush Bear of membership was much limited video and it was a very popular work. So if you couldn't watch it, you won't be able to watch it until March next year. So I made a new membership only menu. You can watch how to make Plush Bear at any time of the year. And you can also watch the works published that month for membership only. For example, if you participate in May, you can watch how to make Plush Bear and Turtle. If you participate in June, you can watch how to make Plush Bear and Dolphin. The monthly fee is $8.99, but it is recommended only for those who want to make Plush Bear right now. Because the price will be high, then write down the list and please cancel within the month. Please select Plush Bear and create. When you participate in the membership, please participate in Plush Bear and create from the summary section below. Thanks for watching. Bye.